All right, so here we at brand new construction. There's a pre-purchase inspection, so the client has yet to close on it. One of the issues we're finding on brand new homes, and it doesn't matter if it's a spec builder or a national builder, is the windows. When they install these windows, nice hurricane impact windows, they're not caulking them. Look at all that space right there. And what that's going to do is let a lot of water in. Here in Florida, we get a lot of rain, a lot of driving rain, and that's just going to let the water in. Gaps here, gaps there, gaps all the way up. All of the windows are like that. Plus, we also recommend any type of wall penetration, like piping that comes out. That's an egregious gap. Or any type of screws for any type of equipment. Electrical conduit, sprinklers, sprinkler timers, conduit here. All this stuff needs to be caulked just to prevent any type of water intrusion. This back door here is really bad. This back door is just, well, take a look. You got this wood exposed right there, right? All the poor caulking job all the way across. Then you got this pine right here. This is all pine. The nail heads aren't even sealed. They didn't even miter. They didn't even miter the corners. And all the sloppy caulking all the way across. It's also a recommendation, because there is no overhang right here, that water is going to splash up on there, and within 3-4 years, you're going to have this door rotted out at the bottom. You can buy a door, fiberglass door, with a PVC jamb and a PVC brick mold. So that way in 3 years, you're not replacing the door again. And then of course, you can also add an awning up here to protect the splashback. But that door was poorly installed. So I'll be looking closely for the screws on that one. And more of the same as far as the windows are concerned. Gaps here and there. Condenser is a little too close to the wall. It's about 7 inches. Recommendations usually around 12 inches. That's for proper ventilation, because it's pulling in air through here and pushing it out the top, and you're choking it off a little bit on this side. They did install a hose bib right next to it. I don't see why they couldn't have found a better spot for that. And then the windowsill itself, you can see there's pores everywhere, and water is just going to soak in there. So what I'm going to recommend is that they go ahead and reseal this top really good. All right, that's what we got so far. Stay tuned. Here's a quick video on drip loops. So you have an overhead service coming in from the power poles, right? And as they come in here, these lines should be coming or going into the weatherhead from below, not from above. For instance, this one right here is correct, right? This is called the drip loop. That way, any rain that hits that is going to drop this way and fall down. However, any rain that's going to be hitting basically anywhere from here is going to fall along this wire and go right into the weatherhead, down into the service panel. Same on this side. So these wires need to be bent back over, and yeah, that's the correction. So the condition, drip loops are not installed. The correction is to install proper drip loops. You don't want water building up in your electrical system, folks. Okay, so here we are in the garage, and we got a couple issues. One, safety pole's missing in front of the water heater, because you got your garage right here, right? You don't want to come up after happy hour and bump into your water heater, so you put a metal pole right here, protection. Second issue in here, washer and dryer is a brand new house, so nothing's been installed yet. You got your dryer vent right here, right? That's your dryer vent going up and out. Your dryer plug. Your hot and cold for your water, but where's the drain? No drain. Third issue, this is actually a nice panel. It's Leviton, it's a newer panel, all right? All these nice new white breakers. Here's the issue. They painted the crap out of this panel. You see all that white spray right there? All on the fins? Look at that fin right there. Look how much paint's on top of that. This whole entire panel has overspray paint on it. Brand new nice panel too. Recommendation, get your drain going, replace your panel, put it in a pole. Brand new house, who would have thunk it? All right, let's keep looking.